let's go and see what's going on in Brunswick. Today we're going to the ice caves. I've never been there, so let's go and see. Starting to go to the ice caves. There's not really like a park a lot or something, so that's why people park their car on the road. This is just like one of the New Brunswick roads, one of the like back roads. People park their car here, and then they go for a walk. They go all the way there. We'll go inside and then we'll show you what's going on there. So this is how you know that you're in a good spot, or like if you're in the right spot. Gut Pile Road. This is the little road that you wanna go, just like what we saw. Like we parked the car here. See, everyone parked their cars here, and then we'll just keep going until we go to these to the woods inside there. I've never been to the ice caves, but this is kind of now a reaction, my reaction to the ice caves. We had yesterday we had ice pallets and snow afterwards, so looks like everything will be great today. It's not that cold. It's probably like about -5 really, and yeah, see people walk. People going there right now. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, this is a farm. I don't know if you can see, but there are cows over there, and you can hear them maybe. Whew. Let's keep walking. We're still walking. Yeah, it's a little walk really. Like it's not like that much. It's not crazy. Could be about like 1 or 2 kilometers. 1.5 could be. Yeah, it's not long. And now we just entered the part where they're all trees, so we're getting really close to there. Look how long we came all the way to all the way from the road to here. So this is kind of the end of this road, the road we came all the way from there. Now we're turning left. Look at this. There's a nest on the top. I wonder if there's an egg there. I don't think so. It's cold. Too cold for any eggs. This is not the time. Maybe in the spring. Look at this. We're still going on. We're keeping going. The downhill now, we're going downhill. Hopefully we will reach to the ice caves. Take your pictures. I think maybe it's there. Let's go and see. I don't know, I just saw a couple of people there. We got her. We arrived at our destination. To our destination. We've arrived to our destination. Ooh. Look at the ice caves. Alright. Going down with the rope. Some people want to slide. Ooh. The ice cave.
Go on the other way, that way. Find the rope.
Like rope so that you can get up and down.
Still going downhill. Pretty icy here. Don't think I can do it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're going out. Is that better? How did they get it? Oh. Yeah, I'm good. Woo! It's beautiful. Whoa. Now that it's melting. Ooh, very beautiful inside, man. Look, look, look. The ice. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. It's nice. Oh, it's all ice. It just feels great when you're like in an area. Oh my god. It's worth it, guys. It's worth it. Whew. It's not, it can't even break. What a beautiful view, man. What a beautiful adventure. What a beautiful adventure. Look. Woo. Yes. Yes. You gotta do this. Oh my god, look, 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 look. Yes. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Have a great day.
Okay. You gotta have the courage. I don't have the courage with this little hill. That's how you're gonna do it. It's bad. Oh my god. I went dark into this. Oh, it's beautiful though. It's fun. All right. Now let's get uphill again. I don't know why people don't use this rope, because it's helpful. Whew. That's why maybe people don't use it. Whoa. Whew. I think we got her. I think we got her. Yeah. Let's get up. Okay. Let's go. Ah. Whew. We made her. We made it. We made it. Got hurt a little bit. That's it. That's all of it. Here we go. We're done. It was nice little adventure. We'll see you on the next adventure.